one of the steepest grades, I think.
Hey, we're going to Dalton, Georgia to do Sunday morning and Sunday night. And then we're headed on up to Chattanooga to Harrison Bay State Park. We're going to stay
One night.
one night. I'd like to stay two, but Julius got me staying one.
Well.
Because that's a nice park up there. It's one of our favorites.
Yep.
Then we're going to Nashville, Tennessee to record our new album. We won that Day Win Talent Contest, and the Nealons, or Jason Clark with the Nealons, is going to produce our new album.
Hey guys, it is actually, let me tell you what the date is. It is March the 6th, and we are headed to Hendersonville, Tennessee. Like I said, we're going to be possibly stopping off at a relative's house and parking in their driveway. And anyway, we're in slow and go traffic, and the reason we've got that curtain up back there, in case you're wondering, is John is way back in the bedroom back there, but he sleeps there on the couch, and so Nathan sleeps behind that curtain on the dinette. And John has had a sore throat for a couple days, and we are going in the studio to record. So we've tried to keep them a little separated, to try to keep the germs at bay in case it's more than just allergies. We're not sure. So we know that he's not real sick because he doesn't have a fever and he feels pretty good. We just need to try to contain that sore throat to only one of us. So anyway, that's why the curtain's there, and we are headed north. We made it up Mount Eagle, and
Mount Eagle, make sure your bus has plenty of coolant in it.
yeah, the tires.
Should. I filled it up before we left the campground.
Yeah. So we're going at a much better speed now. Motor heated up a little bit, right? Is it cooling back down now? Woo! That was close. Past a big truck. So I think we made it down Mount Eagle. We made it up. We made it down. I think. Yep. Yep. So, Johnny, where are we today?
We're at Daywind Studios in Hendersonville, Tennessee, which you might as well say Nashville with this place. This is the top of the line of the Southern Gospel studios, recording studios, and we won that contest, and now, praise God, we're getting to cut our album, and we're so
Yeehaw.
excited.